friends, welcome to Pebbles. To be or not to be was the famous question by Shakespeare. But today we have another question for you. To buy or not to buy?
Exactly. This is the question in the minds of everyone who want to invest in cryptocurrency. There is one more question. Okay. The question is very important. What will be the all-time high now of Bitcoin after this halving? Last time the Bitcoin reached 69,500, but this time before halving it crossed its all-time high. So what will be the all-time high of Bitcoin? 1 lakh, 1,50,000, 2 lakhs, 250, 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs. Let us discuss all in detail, but first our disclaimer. Welcome back friends. So first we will see after May 2020, that is the third halving, what was the condition of the Bitcoin, and after that we will decide whether to invest in Bitcoin now or not. So what was the result after 2022? Let us start from 2022.
Actually, after the halving, the rate was almost at the all-time high of $69,000.
Yeah.
But after that, in Jan 2022, the rate fall down to $41,000, which the rate was almost 15,000 in November.
That means in just 11 months from 41,000 to 15,000. One third, the rate is dropped one third, and everybody was literally scared that whether the Bitcoin is going to finish or what. But in Jan 2023,
it was 16,000, from which it soared up to 23,000 in month of May and 34,000 in the month of November.
So just 1 year back in January, last year January, it was around 16k. Then at the end of the year, it was around 34k. And to our students and through our videos, we were literally screaming, buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. This is the last chance to buy at the 16,000k. But many people neglected it, and now the Bitcoin is around 5x or near to 5x. So after so much fluctuations, after that in 2024 March, means recently, it hit around 73,000. So the question is whether you should buy Bitcoin or not. Why? Because so many fluctuations from 70k after last halving all-time high to 41k, then 15k, 16k, 34k, 42k, again 72k, and now it is around 65k. So when so much fluctuations are there and people don't have the proper knowledge or right knowledge about the cryptocurrency, whether they should keep their hard-earned money as an investment in the cryptocurrency or not, that is the biggest question. So what you will suggest to these people? See, in this lot there may be some people are very new to cryptocurrency and want to invest for the first time, but there are also people who already have the handsome portfolio and they want to amend to their portfolios.
I would suggest the newcomers, those who are interested, they should definitely go for Bitcoin. But now the time, it is not a new period for Bitcoin. The Bitcoin has already crossed its all-time high
And I
even
think,
before
yeah,
even
even
before
before
halving.
the halving.
Yes. So I think they should invest in Bitcoin, but they should limit some part of their investment in Bitcoin and the rest other in altcoins.
Generally, we advise people if you want to invest 100 rupees, the 25 rupees must go in the Bitcoin, 25 rupees in the Ethereum, and rest of the 50 should go to the altcoins. But I think this time, what should be the percentage that the people should buy Bitcoin?
I think for Bitcoin, this should be around 10 to 15%, and the rest in ETH and altcoins.
Okay, so this time when the Bitcoin has already crossed its all-time high, we should not go for 20% or 30% of your investment in Bitcoin. Uh, rather you should invest around 15%, 10 to 15% in Bitcoin, just for the sake of investment. Because if you want to make your portfolio properly in Bitcoin, you should wait for the bear rally. Okay, the price definitely will come down, but mind well, the price will never touch now 16,000 or something like that. This time it reached 16,000 because the cost of mining Bitcoin was between 20,000 to $40,000 per Bitcoin. But after the halving, this price will go high from 45,000 to $65,000 per Bitcoin. So I don't think the Bitcoin will drop to 15k or 16k.
Most probably it might go up to 45 or 50, but that is also a very rare condition. I don't see any very major correction coming up, as we already had a correction previously
Yes.
before the halving
Yeah.
itself. So I think Bitcoin will always be in the upward direction from now onwards.
I think that after halving, as per the history, after halving there is always one correction. So if
Yes.
you get the Bitcoin, I don't know, I'm not sure. I doubt whether it will reach that bottom or not. But if you get around 50k, so buy it. Buy it 25%, 30%. But if you get around 60k or 65k, don't buy more than 10 to 15%. Because after Bitcoin rally, there will be the Ethereum rally, and after that, there will be the altcoin rally. What is the main objective of the investment? We want to multiply our amount.
Okay.
So if you invest in Bitcoin, it will be hardly 2x, but Ethereum will be 4x, and altcoin will be from 5x to I don't know, maybe 50x or 60x also. So this is the answer to the first question, that if you are a newcomer or if you are a pro cryptocurrency investor, if you want to buy Bitcoin right now, limit yourself to only 10% of your investments. So the final answer to your question is whether you should buy Bitcoin or not. Yes, 100% you should buy. But suppose if the rate of Bitcoin drops below 65,000, then buy it or use your 25% funds. But if the rate of Bitcoin is around 65,000 and above, then only buy 10% of your funds. Don't utilize all your funds. Rather than invest in Ethereum or altcoin.
I heard you said 2x,
Yeah, correct.
but I think I heard from Robert Kiyosaki and many other people, they are expecting it to go around 3 lakhs.
Some over enthusiastic people even say it will reach 5 lakh dollars. Robert Kiyosaki's latest statement was around 3 lakh dollars. Of course, he has got some other news connected to it. I'll just come to that. But first of all, I'll tell you why I personally feel it will not go about 2x. While last halving in May 2020, everybody was expecting the Bitcoin will reach around 1,50,000 or maybe 2 lakhs. But I said it will not go more than 70 to $80,000. My figure was 70 to 80,000, and it exactly hit around 70. That is 69,549. It hit. This time everybody is saying 1,50,000, 2 lakhs, 250, even 3 lakh dollars. But why I am saying it is not possible, or what history says it is not possible, I'll tell you. See, the first halving was in the November 12, 2012. At the time of halving, the rate was $13. Okay. I
35.
hope we should have bought the bitcoins in thousands of bitcoins we should have bought, but the train is missed. Okay. After that, the all-time high was 1,150. That means the Bitcoin rise by 90 times.
Oh,
Okay,
God.
90 times. Okay. Now come to second halving. The second halving was July 2016, after 4 years means. At the time of halving, the rate was 664. And after that, the all-time high was hit 17,700. That means this time, not 90x, it increased by 25 times.
Okay.
The first halving 90 times, second halving 25 times. Okay. Now the third halving, the May 2020, At the time of halving, the rate was 9,700 and all-time high was 69,000, means around 70,000. This time the Bitcoin multiplied by 7. The rate multiplied by 7 times. Now look again. Halving 1, 90, 2, 25 and 7. So what is the factor? The factor is 90 to 25 is 3.6. 25 to 7 is 3.5. So this factor will be around 3 to 3.5 only. Let us consider 3.5. If you divide 7 by 3.5, the answer is 2. So theoretically, okay, by the past data and behavior or history of the Bitcoin, I will say that I don't know what will be the price of the Bitcoin at the time of halving. Right now it is around 65,000 or 66,000. Suppose the rate of the Bitcoin at the time of halving, that is after maybe 10 to 12 days, if it is 70,000, the all-time high will be 1,40,000. But if any correction is there before that, and if the rate at the time of halving is 60,000, then it will reach only 1,20,000. This is what I say. Now, your second question, that why Robert Kiyosaki or many other people said that Bitcoin will go beyond 2 lakhs or 2,50,000 or 3 lakhs. The major factor this time is affecting, which was not last time, is the entry of the big, not a big, giant financial institutions. At the time of 2020, everybody was saying the Bitcoin is a bubble, the Bitcoin is a scam. At that time, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, everybody was saying that the Bitcoin is a scam, is a bubble, it will not sustain in the market. But this time, the Bitcoin is a king. For example, I'll tell you, do you know our national economy figure?
It's approximately 3.5 trillion, I suppose.
Let us consider it is around, because India is emerging as a superpower, let us consider it is a $4 trillion. The number one asset handler or the investment company in the world is a BlackRock. And do you know how much assets they are handling? $12 trillion. That is minimum 3 times of the India's economy. Whole country's economy, the 3 times of it, only one company is handling. And now this time, nearly 12 to 15 such companies are coming into the market with the Bitcoin ETF. That means they will start buying Bitcoin at any rate, as and when the investment comes in them. Now combine just funds reserved by all these 15 companies is around $10 trillion what they have in their bag with them. And the effect, you must have seen that Bitcoin has already broken its all-time high before halving.
Yes.
One correction will come, but if you see this effect, if this effect works and if it continues, then Bitcoin may reach 3 lakh definitely. But for that, still I say Bitcoin at the time of halving must be around $1 lakh, which I don't think it will reach. But if it reach by $80,000 or $90,000, it will go to 160 or 180. So this is my analysis or my prediction about the rate of the Bitcoin. So the answer to the second question, that what will be the rate of the Bitcoin, how much it will reach. So you just imagine that you have bought the Bitcoin maybe today at $60,000 or $65,000 and it goes to 1,20,000. It is double, 2x. But then tell me, what is the investment tool in the world which will double your investment in 1 year, less than 1 year? So don't be greedy. In a Bitcoin, you start withdrawing your amount after $1 lakh, 1 lakh to $1,20,000. You start withdrawing amount. Definitely it will reach by 1,50,000. It will reach. You are still in profit. and you can then invest that profits to the altcoin part of it, altcoin and Ethereum, and there you can make 5x, 10x, 20x profit.
Sure.
So that should be the game. If you are greedy right at the bottom, then there are chances that, like last time, people were just watching how their portfolio figures are going high, and they were so overjoyed that
They forgot to book the
just
profits.
they forgot to book the profits. And when the bear rally started, the person who should have booked at 70,000 or 65,000, he booked the profit at 50,000. So that should not happen.
As you said, BTC investment we can go for 10%. For ETH we can go for around 20%, 20 to
No, no, no,
25%.
more than that, because in general conditions we suggest 25%. So this time you can go for 30%, 35% you can go.
Okay. So the remaining will go in altcoins.
There are so many altcoins. You can check yourself. There are so many altcoins who has till now has just done 2x or 3x.
Yes, as I was checking the list, I saw you have noted a few coins which are supposed to go around 6x to 10x.
Yes, exactly. For
And
example, this ARB right now it is around 1.6, but its target is 25. That means it will go 20x. Then you have BNB. BNB is right now quite high. It is a native token of Binance, so it is 590 or 600 around, but its target is around 900. Solana, it has emerged magically in the last year, right from the $8 to it has come to $197, and its target is around 900 to $1,000. This is what it is expected to reach in your
after the halving.
after the halving in altcoin rallies. Rather in Ethereum also right now it is 3,500, but its target is around 9,000. So I think it is better for now to concentrate on the altcoins along with the Ethereum, and keep your further investments low in the Bitcoins. That does not mean liquidate your Bitcoin. Don't sell the Bitcoins. Okay, the selling the Bitcoins will be only after it will reach 1 lakh or it will cross 1 lakh. Okay, but you concentrate on the altcoins.
So thank you for watching our video. If you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it now. And if you like our video, press the like button.
And definitely, if you have any questions, please write in the comments. We personally check the comments and we give answers to all your questions. Apart from that, we have the different courses in the Marathi language and Hindi language, of course, Hindi and English mix. So those courses are the basic course, intermediate and advanced. Different courses are there. I suggest, even if someone is an investor or not, but he should at least do the basic course. Why? Because cryptocurrency is emerging as a giant field in the finance. And nowadays, even in the schools of India, in the curriculum, the cryptocurrency is added. So, as I suggest, everybody should do at least the basic course. And suppose you are a newcomer or a new investor and you want to consult us. Okay, so we do conduct the physical sessions for the consultancy at our office. So the phone numbers and WhatsApp number are given in the description. Our Telegram links are given in the description, and also course links are given in the description. So I hope that you should definitely go for the courses and meet us in person. And now, if you're not yet subscribed the channel, please do it now. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Have a nice time. Goodbye.